Here's Mitch's reaction while he's playing Slender Man. Oh boy. He's right there.
What did it turn around, man? Come on, don't be scared. Don't want to turn around.
Man, you gotta be strong.
I don't want to turn around though. I mean, why did that tree just move?
It's not a tree.
Oh, there he is, there he is.
What are you guys doing?
Playing a game.
What game?
Slender Man.
Where are they?
Up here.
Oh no! Oh no! No! I'm getting more! No! No! Come on, get away, man! Come on! Get away!
You're not even moving.
Yes, I am. You
You're
just can't
not.
see.
Turn around, he'll be right there.
Oh! God, get away from me! Get away!
Let's shoot you in case you're dead.